Winter Jacobs. Winter, I absolutely love the spelling of your first name. I think that is so cool. Winter is celebrating her 22nd birthday in Pittsburgh.
And we have Orrin Humble turning 42 years old this year. All right, he's got his cake. Wait a minute. This cake says 46. 40 and 56. I'm thoroughly confused here now. Orrin celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh.
Brian Natalini, a happy 58th birthday. And Mr. Brian, he's celebrating in Columbus.
All right, Bob Owen celebrating birthday number 79 in Chanute.
Also in Chanute, Sandy Gailmore. Very happy birthday to you, Miss Sandy.
James and Robin Zorns are celebrating their 8th anniversary there in Riverton.
And John and Allison Clyburn, they have their 9th anniversary. Lovely family picture right there. The Clyburns are in Galena.
All right. And the Thorntons are celebrating in their lovely family picture there. Brett and Brianna Thornton celebrating 8 years together.
Cheryl Simpson, a happy birthday in Weir. Bo Johnson is celebrating in Neosho. Happy birthday to Bo. And Milo and Janice Kellerman, 48 years. Congratulations, Milo and Janice. The Kellermans, they are in Iola. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
We'll take a